Hey, I want to answer these questions from AppSumo, and I think it's going to help other users. So, let's see the questions and let's see the answers. First is the white label feature. I mean, I know this is something that is a bit complicated, but this is a white label. You have your domain. Your domain will be set up with, our account, our infrastructure. So your domain is going to be 100% white label, and there is nothing about our domain anywhere. So this is my admin user. The admin user is for your account as a white label. Okay. So the widget is here. I can create as many widgets as I want. The widget, the code for the widget, the code for the landing page, the code for everything is white label. As you can see here, the script is white label, the website is white label, everything is white label. The links for your agents are white label. If we go here, you see the code for the agent is white label, the link for the agent is white label, everything is white label. The email notifications are not white label, but we have created a user, not, I think it's user notification, something like that. We have done a domain that is meaningless, and you can be confident that we don't want to take over your business, we don't want to take over your clients. It's your business, it's your client, so we want to help you. That's it. Okay, so that's step one. This is the white label part. Yes, domains, everything, branding, everything. The branding part, okay. So the white label part is, let's go here, edit your account, white label, and here you can add your logo, you can add your subdomain, you can change the the main color, you can change your everything about your business is going to be white label here. Okay, so this is white label. I think this is answered. Will each customer have a sub account linked to us? Okay, yes, and this is something we like a lot. Correct. Everything is without our brand. Everything is like that. So what happens here? This is your account. This is your admin account. You can create widgets for your users. You can create widgets for your clients. All that is there. You go to Teams. Inside Teams, you can create team members. Okay, team members are like these ones. No, Peter, Barber, new client. Okay, as you want. You can create as many as you want. The moment you create a user, you can link the user to the widget they own. Okay, so for example, let's make a new one. I put here new client at myco.com. Okay, I'm going to submit. Barber, let's see. Yes, okay, I choose this one, and now this client, okay, down here, he's linked to barbershop and to the agent. I also, this option, add editing role, this option is for the user to have access to edit the widget. Okay, this is something extra that you can manage. Okay, let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens with this user as it is. I log in here, I save. Okay, this is my control panel. I have my calendar, I have my leads, I have my providers. Okay, those are extra options for me as a business. So I have these options. As you can see, this configuration is like, let's say, read only. Okay, this is like you only can see stuff. Okay, the mobile version is very beautiful. You have here all the options. This is something we've been working to create a truly good experience for your clients. No, I mean the calendar view in mobile works great. You can add new contacts here. So we think this I mean the mobile and the desktop version for your clients is really nice. As I mentioned, if I give them editing role, okay, now this user is going to be able to edit the widgets. As you can see, now I have widgets and agents. That means I can go and edit my widget, and I can go and edit my agent. Sometimes this is useful because you want them to manage, for example, their booking hours. No? For example, let's say I'm in the phone. I go here, I go to my agent. I want to edit the booking, and I want to change the hours. No, I want to change the time I'm open, and I want to change the hours I'm working. So from the phone they can do it. They don't need to call you and ask you, hey, can you change this? They can go right away, do it, save, that's it. Okay, so this is for you to know that your clients can manage their bookings. Okay, so this is something you have here. So I think this is solved. Yes, I mean the widget weights, I think it's 100 and something kilobytes. So yes, there is an impact on the site speed performance. Okay, it's not crazy, but yes, there is some. Just consider that. Does the widget work like a passive button, or that stays on the page? Is to define actions like appear after X seconds, appear then trying to exit. If there is a pop-up. I mean, we have some options, not all of them. Okay, I mean we can give you some I think some options for your design. You can go to the widget here, and let's go to this one, for example, and you can go to the design section, and inside the design section you have some options. For example, you have the delay, for example, you have the size, you have the countdown, you have the widget pop-up. Widget pop-up is to make the widget, appear like a pop-up in the middle of the screen. So this is something, I have the button here, I can close it, it's more like a pop-up. You can hide elements, you can show notifications. Notification is down here for the user to see this one icon. So it's like, there is something happening. I don't know, there are plenty of options here. Well, not plenty, but there are some options for you. The animation, where the widget is, the height, the width. I mean, I think you can control the widget more or less as you want. This is in the design section. Then in the widget section, you have these extra features. Well, let me uncheck the pop-up. Let's go to the widget. Inside the widget, you have more options. That, these ones here is to configure the widget behavior. Okay, is to configure how you want the widget to behave. So it can be open, can be closed, can be open with the first form right away. So when you go here, you have the form already open for you. So, there are options for you here to control. I mean, you can experiment, you can do tests, you can try them out. There are options, I think, for you to manage your account as good as you want. What is interesting here, I think, for example, redirect URL, after they fill up the form, instead of WhatsApp, you can send them to a landing page. You can add banners here. You can geolocate your widget. I think you have, plenty of options for you to create the best experience for your clients, for your users, for your websites, and, get the more leads for your business. Obviously, you also have the landing page option. Landing page is for you to create landing pages, and the same, unlimited. You can create as many as you want. You can, give access to your clients to the landing page. Translation is important because it's not only translations, it's also location. Sometimes you want to fine tune the wording, the experience, maybe you are more formal, more informal. So you want to change, how the widget, communicates with your clients. And also, just to finish, you can have AI agents. You can add FAQ. FAQ will be AI support, and you can have a widget that works, it by itself. So there is plenty of things. There are more things up here. You have payments, campaigns. I mean, we give you, I think, a nice tool for you, to create the best experience for your clients. Okay. So thank you for the questions. Hope the answers are correct and useful, and you can work with us. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.